Alright, morning guys. So back again for another week of our home workout videos. So just like I mentioned last week, we're going to be doing a abs focus session this week. So what I'd recommend, because we won't have the normal warm-up structure, we're going to just go straight into the workout. So yeah, what I'd recommend is watch the whole workout round first, just so you get an idea of what the workouts are going to be. So just so you get an idea. And after that, when you're ready, just play the video again and then just go straight into the workout when you're ready. So yeah, without wasting too much time from here, we'll just get straight in. Okay guys, so like I said earlier, first things first, make sure you watch the video over first, just so you know what exercises are going to be done, because it's going to be a combination of some plank exercises, bit of movement, and some of the usual lying on your back crunch type of exercises. So watch it over first, understand it, second time follow through. So yeah, with that being said, we're just going to go straight in. And yeah, good luck, because it's going to be pretty hard as well. So okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, well done guys. So that wraps up the core workout. Usually we'd do a cool down and stretches, but if you want to follow that, then just check out some of our previous videos we've done in the past. But with that being said, next week we'll bring another workout for you. So we've had abs this week, so next week could be more cardio based, a bit more HIIT, something different. So just wait and see next week, and that being said, we'll see you then.